At ito ang Sizzling Hot Spicy Tuna Sisig. But before anything else, meron tayo tuna jokes. Anong tuna ang pinakamatanda sa balat ng lupa? Eh di, century tuna. Anong tuna ang mahilig sumisid? Eh di, San Marino tuna. Anong tuna naman ang sikat na hero pa? Eh di, sikat tuna is your umpisa na natin ang pagluluto ng Sizzling Hot Spicy Tuna Sisig. At naka-ready na yung mga ingredients natin. Yung hot spicy tuna and yung regular tuna, drainate na siya at pinag-combine. And then, of course, gagamit tayo ng chopped onion and siling green, na-chop na rin siya. Later, gagamitin natin as garnish si siling red. And then, we'll use a bit of oil and of course, oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons. And our secret ingredient, ang ating Umamimoco, 2 tablespoons. If wala kang Umamimoco, which you can buy in Chef Jeryck's Best FB page, or soon in Lazada and Shopee, you can use Knorr seasoning, but possibly you'll use 1 tablespoon kasi medyo maalat siya. While Umamimoco is not maalat, it's umami. Okay? And may twist yung Sizzling Hot Spicy Tuna Sisig natin dahil lalagyan natin ito ng cheese moco instead of mayo and egg. So, wala siyang egg, but meron tayong cheese moco na ilalagay. In lieu of cheese moco, you can use either magnolia cheesy or yung cheese whiz. Okay. Pero iba yung lasa ni cheese moco. Medyo talaga siya, meant for dishes, not for yun, mga breads, okay din, pero dishes ang ni cheese moco or burger. Ito yung pinaka-cheese sauce ng burger. Na pag gumagawa ko ng burger. Alright, so we'll now start cooking our sizzling hot spicy tuna sisig. Okay mga kabuddies, we'll start cooking our Holy Week dish number 3. Ang sizzling hot spicy tuna sisig. Naglagay ako ng konting oil para i-saute natin si hot spicy tuna. 2 tuna ginamit ko, yung isa hot spicy, yung isa regular tuna. So, kung gusto mo nang talagang maanghang, matinding anghang, 2 cans ng hot spicy ang gamitin mo. Eh, medyo may kaanghangan yung hot spicy ng century tuna. Alright? Sa kabilang side, si sizzling plate ay pinapainit siya sa minimum flame kasi later ililipat natin itong si tuna. So saute ko muna siya and of course yung next ingredient na lalagay ko is yung 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Almost the same procedure sa paggawa ng sizzling pork sisig or any sizzling. Pero dito, hindi lang ako maglalagay ng end mayo. Kasi meron akong ilalagay na ibang topping. I-aano muna natin siya i-evaporate yung liquid niya para maging sizzling tuna na siya. Patutuyuin natin ng konti. Pero hindi naman siya tuyong-tuyo. Sa Holy Week, we have 3 special dishes. Good for Holy Thursday. Panoorin niyo yung vlog ko sa first Holy Week dish. And then another dish, yung ginataang pakbet. Also sizzling dish for Good Friday. And itong dish na to is meant for Black Saturday. Sa Easter Sunday, meron tayong ipiprepare na dish din. Sa Waray kasi, pag Saturday, culminating day ng Holy Week. Diba? Bago mag-Easter. So, ang tawag namin doon is Sabado de Gloria. And then, the next day, ang tawag doon is Domingo Lauya. Lauya doon is nilagang pata. So, yun yung dish na gagawin natin for Easter Sunday. It's lauya. It's the nilaga ng Waray or sa Bisaya. I think in Cebu or Davao, they also call it lauya. It's similar to nilaga, pero may certain ingredients that make it unique in taste, that make it lauya. Kaya abangan ninyo yung final dish natin for Holy Week. And that is for Easter Sunday. Okay, now I'll put the next ingredient. See? Onion. So, mabilis lang iluto itong veggie. Nahalo lang natin. And then, of course, i-drop ko na rin si siling green. So, just enough siling green. 3 to 4 siling green. Slice diagonally. Yun yung kailangan mo for this dish. And of course, are Umamimoco. So, pag walang Umamimoco, you can use Knorr seasoning. Bawasan nyo lang yung amount. Try mo muna 1 teaspoon and then kapag kulang pa rin sa lasa, another teaspoon. Kasi medyo maalat siya. Pero kung si Umamimoco, I use 2 tablespoons because hindi siya salty and yet it's savory. Alright? So, titaste ko na siya ngayon. I'll check the saltiness of our dish. I'll just put a bit of salt. Konting-konti lang. It's gonna be a 1/3 teaspoon. 1/3 teaspoon. And of course, pepper. Konting pepper lang kasi medyo manghang na yung green, yung siling green. Ilalagay pa natin mamaya yung siling red. Alright? So, ang sarap. Masarap siya. Kakaiba yung lasa. Try nyo to. Hindi na mag-isisi. Promise. Okay. Done na yung first part ng cooking natin, ililipat ko na ngayon siya sa sizzling plate for the final sizzle. So, ayan na. Lilipat ko na siya sa sizzling plate. I now put the garnishing, which is the siling red. Okay, isang katerbang anghang. So, para mawala yung anghang habang kumakain ka, and it's summer, magtimpla ka ng malamig. Ayan. And, of course, our twist, final twist is cheese moco, cheese sauce. So, in lieu of mayo, I'll put cheese moco. Madaming cheese moco. Siya yung magpapasarap sa ating sizzling, hot, spicy tuna sisig. Easy yarn! Ito na yung final output ng dish na niluto natin. Ang sizzling, hot, spicy tuna sisig. Ayan, kakain na kami ng aking mga junakis. Sina Soy, Neji, and